Diabetes is a chronic disorder that affects the way the body metabolizes sugar. Diabetics are at high risk of developing heart disease, blindness, and nerve damage. Diabetics also need to make sure not to overeat since it can raise their blood sugar levels. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to eBlosis. Managing type 2 diabetes effectively requires a combination of diet, lifestyle changes, and Ayurvedic wisdom. In Ayurveda, diabetes is referred to as Madhumeha, Prameha, metabolic disorder that affects the body's ability to metabolize sugar properly. To balance blood sugar levels, Ayurveda recommends foods that regulate digestion, that is your Agni, reduces excess Kapha dosha, which is imbalance, support pancreas function, and enhance insulin sensitivity. So before we check out the best foods for diabetes, let me tell you that we are offering a personalized Ayurvedic health report that will uncover your unique body type, the Prakriti, your current doshas imbalance, Ama toxin levels, and much more. It just take a few minutes. Simply click the link in the description, fill out a short questionnaire, and get deep insight into your health based upon Ayurveda parameter. And the best part is it's totally free. So try it today, try it now. So here are 10 Ayurvedic superfoods that help manage type 2 diabetes naturally. Number 1 is bitter gourd. It's naturally an insulin booster. If we see the Ayurvedic properties of bitter gourd, it's thick, kapha pacifying, which helps in cleansing the pancreas and detoxify the blood. So it contains keratin and polypeptide P compounds that naturally reduce blood sugar level. So question is how to use this thing. Drink 20 to 30 ml of a fresh bitter gourd juice every morning on an empty stomach. So even you can take cooked bitter gourd as a vegetable with turmeric and curcumin to enhance its effect. And number 2 is Indian blackberry. It is also called Jamun. It improves insulin sensitivity. According to Ayurveda, if you see its bioenergies contain jamboline and jambosine, which regulate glucose metabolism and insulin function. Helps in kapha balance and pancreas function. So how you can use it: eat 10 to 15 fresh jamun fruits daily when in season. Use these jamun seeds powder 5 grams with warm water twice a day. It really helps in controlling your blood sugar levels. Number 3 is fenugreek, also called Methi. It's a powerful blood sugar regulator. If you see the Ayurvedic benefits, the fenugreek seeds are guru heavy and ushna, that is it's warming, which increase insulin sensitivity and regulate digestion. It helps detoxify ama and balance the kapha dosha. How to use it: soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. You can take around 5 to 10 grams, and then overnight after soaking, you drink water in the morning. We're gonna talk about number 4, the turmeric. Turmeric is called haldi. It's anti-inflammatory and sugar balancer. If we see the Ayurvedic benefits, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces inflammation and support pancreatic function. Ayurveda says turmeric as Agni Vardhak, means it's good for enhancing digestive fire, which prevents blood sugar spikes. Question is how to use it. Drink turmeric milk at night. Add around 5 gram, 2.5 to 5 gram of turmeric powder to the warm water and drink it before meal. Number 5, that's Amla. It's also called Indian gooseberry. It strengthens the pancreas. If you see the Ayurvedic properties, it has a bitter taste also. It has astringent, so which improve actually your insulin sensitivity. And being a rasayana, it rejuvenates pancreatic cells. So high in vitamin C, which reduces oxidative stress in diabetics. How to use it? Take 10 to 20 ml fresh amla juice daily on an empty stomach. Eat fresh amla or mix dried amla powder with honey and consume, which helps. Number 6 is cinnamon. So it's called dalchini. It is a blood sugar stabilizer. Cinnamon improves insulin function, reduce blood sugar levels naturally. Its bioenergies, it is kapha balancing and Agni Vardhak, which enhances digestion and metabolism. How you can use it? You can take about 2.5 gram to 5 gram of cinnamon powder in your herbal tea. Sprinkle cinnamon on oats or yogurt for sugar-free sweetness. Number 7 is flax seed. It's high fiber for sugar control. If you see the Ayurvedic benefits, flax seeds are high in soluble fiber, which slows down glucose absorption and prevent sugar spike. If you see Ayurveda consider flaxseed as guru, that's something which is heavy and cooling, so beneficial for pitta imbalances. How we can use it? You can take around 5 grams of flaxseed and add it to your smoothie or warm water. You can take directly. Number 8 is green leafy vegetables. It detoxifies and regulates blood sugar. Ayurvedic benefits, if we talk about spinach, kale, fenugreek leaves, they help eliminate toxins and regulate blood sugar naturally. They balance kapha and pitta dosha, supporting digestion and metabolism. How to use? Eat steamed or boiled or saute greens with lemon and ghee. You can take these fenugreek, as you can put it into your bread, into your dough. You can make paranthas or you add it to your lentil soups. Number 9 is millets. So these are the grains for diabetes. Millets are the best choice for diabetes as they have low glycemic index, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. They are rich in fiber, which slows glucose absorption and improves insulin sensitivity. Their complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, unlike refined grains. Additionally, if we talk about millets, they balances vata dosha, kapha dosha in Ayurveda, making them ideal for diabetes management. And number 10 is oats, a slow releasing energy. Oats contain beta-glucan, a fiber that slower sugar absorption and stabilize energy levels. If we talk about Ayurveda, it recommends unprocessed whole grains for diabetes. Avoiding instant or flavored oats are not good for you. Always choose steel cut or rolled oats as they have. And you cook it with turmeric. You can use cinnamon as it has anti-diabetic properties, and you can also use nuts. So avoid instant processed oats with added sugar. So what is conclusion? If you transfer your diabetes management journey with these Ayurvedic superfood and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. So remember, every small change leads to big results. So ready to dive deeper into your unique Ayurvedic health profile? Click the link below to get your free personalized health report now. Like, share and subscribe to keep watching eBlosis. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.